At center, number 21, Big JB De Gula. Shooting guard, number 11, De La Cruz. Power forward, number 6, Carnate. At ang Kevin Durant ng Lupao. Power forward, number 5, Laureno. From the home team, starting lineup, Muñoz, Water Bufalos. Starting at shooting guard, number 11, Baraman. Power forward, number 16, Decano. Shooting guard, number 21, Nakino. The Tapal King, number 7, Torian. And the guard, number 33, Dino. And here we go, we are live. Torian and Laureno for the team. And the guest, Winston. De Gula from the middle. Take a shot. No good. Point guard natin. Dino Antaran. Dino from both sides. From pass. Lose the ball. And Singam to De La Cruz. Knocks the 3. Miss. Singam recovered. And first shot for Team Lupao. Goes from Singam. Dino 7-3. Dino pick. Kings outside. Baraman back to Dino. Still by Singam. And there's a foul call. Number 33. In the head. Dino. First team foul, Muñoz. Singam to De La Cruz. Singam drive, lays up, miss, rebound, De Gula. De La Cruz again. Another bucket for Team Lupao. Aquino, lost the 3. No good, rebound, Martin, Carnate. De Gula to Singam. Laureno. And 3! Mainit agad ang kamay ng Team Lupao. 7-0. Run. 1 minute and a half gone by here in the first quarter. Banana drop pass to Decano and the first swing for the big guy. Team Lupao, Singam to Carnate. Laureno back to Carnate. Cross the lane. Off balance shot, no good. Torian on the run. Torian penetrate and back goes. Carnate. And a foul call for jersey number 6. Pushing foul from Carnate. And bonus shot. Miss. Decano, Baraman. Attack, no good. De La Cruz, from the miss. Singam to De Gula. Carnate launches the 3. And that one goes for Carnate. 6-point advantage. Lupao. Dino to Baraman. Torian now 2. No good. Laureno lays up. Easy basket. From Raymond. Laureno. Ang Kevin Durant ng Team Lupao. There's green, no good. Baraman. Torian for the team. Torian once again. Here's on this. Pino wide open three. Cusco. Pino. Pino on this. Palaman for layup. Yes, sir. Number 6. Under 7 minutes to go. Sigang guarding by Pino. Sigang pass to the cross. And there's a foul call. Number 11. Baraman. First personal foul, Baraman. Second team foul, Munoz. First shot is good by De La Cruz. Miss on the second. Pino Baraman to Delgado. Easy play. Alas ng Diyos. Nice pass inside and a quick answer for Ibao. Lauren against the bucket. Baraman break the defense, lays up, good. 14-10 on the scoreboard. Sigang to Laureno. Jumper. And there's a foul call, number 21. Aquino. 13 foul Munoz. And two shot will be given to Laureno. First shot good. And perfect from the line, Laureno. Tino outside. Tino to Doriga. Doriga to Delgado. Again, back-to-back points. By Delgado. Easy. De La Cruz fade. De La Cruz to Sigang, Baramo, and Laureno again got hit in the opportunity. Number 30, Delgado pushing foul. And again, a free throw will be given to Laureno. And nothing but net on the first. Second one. Good again. Delgado and Aquino will go to the bench. Team 12 on the scoreboard. Sigang to Laureno, still by Pino. Pino lays up, yes sir, and right for the Buffaloes. And the lead is now 17-18. Sigang, guarding by Baraman. Sigang crossover. Sigang cross the lane, pass to Tegula inside. And he gets the bucket. Ang hari ng ilalim. Sabi nga na bumaga, diba? Ay Pimuga. Angeles. Angeles. Kemarin parangan cari di Korea. Demola, Rapids. Singam to De La Cruz. To Laureno, wide open three. Short. Demola recover. Demola shots back. By the tapak not in my house. Kagaya. Singam out. Double in. Parangan also. Dimenso. Tino out. Parinas going in. Gandang laban mga kaibigan. Here comes the steal. Turingan at the break. Sakto-sakto. Ay, Parinas. And again, 1 point Colgate. 19-20. Lumao. Nabor. Things outside to Marcate. Low through, short. Got the break. Parinas wants to get it. Shots back, but there's a foul goal. Number 5. Pushing foul. First personal foul, Moreno. Second team foul, Lumao. Bring it up, Abrahami. Parinas, pagkakataon niya may lamang.
Patay na.
And first time, Puntay. Wigyo. And this Jose. Abraham, first of all, still by the Bigula. Deadlock po tayo. 20, all. Laureno for the spin. Turn around Jay, good. By KD. Laureno. Parinas. Parinas for 3. No good. Back for the rebound. And the foul, big possession. Karnati out. Pahotoy for the switch. Nabor, alley-oop to Laureno, Demola, inside spin, no good. Rebound, Dimenso to Parinas. Peralta, working by the ball. This outside, Dimenso to Green, shot, rebound, Nabor. De La Cruz to Laureno. Laureno off balance. And turnover. Regula out. Ballesteros in. Parinas, Peralta, Pugre, Busco, recover Parinas, Lago, Parinas, back to Peralta to Abraham, no good, rebound Ballesteros. Nabor, De La Cruz, left wide open, no good. At the break, Alex lose the ball. Turnover here in the last minute of the first quarter. 1 minute to go. 22-20. Nabor across the lane, nice pass inside, and the finish is good by De La Cruz. Parinas to Peralta. Peralta baseline. And last touch, green shirt. 12 seconds difference between the score in the game. Nabor, set the screen by his teammates. Nabor on the drive, yes sir, off the window, good for 2. 20 seconds. Peralta again, he loses the ball. Angel is out. He is out. 14 seconds. Peralta knocks the 3. No good. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Farina short. 2.2 remaining. Short on the buzzer beater. And that's the end of our first quarter, 26-20. Lead by Team Lubao. And we're back to the ball game for the second quarter. And the Muñoz basketball. Here comes Tino. Paso Tino. Extra pass outside. Going up pass inside to Alves. Alves strong hook. Abraham Roder. And Abraham gets the line. Here comes the board. Paso Hernandez, Hernandez drive, lays up, and basket is good. Tino with the ball. Tino from way down, no good. And Maduro with the ball, Dinamos, around the piece. Here comes Dinamos on the run. Dinamos pass to Daodoy. Daodoy, corner 2, shot is off, rebound by Abraham. Abraham going further, pass to Tino. Here comes Tino. Extra pass. Big drama, baseline. And it is good. Here comes Nabor. Set a screen. Here comes Nopelman and one pass turnover. Tino. Here's Tino, step up, pass to Victorama. Victorama drive again, so move, next pass outside. And turnover. Muñoz retained the possession. 9 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes Tino, 5. And Rizal on top. Foul using number 55. First personal foul on the board. And he scored 8-24, 4-point lead. Team foul. William Sakino. Lopus is in the Odoy. Nabor at the break, lays up, and he puts it in. Tino, setting the fade, set a screen, pass Domino, here comes Torian, and the shot is good. Nice assist from Mr. Tino. Here comes the Aloy baseline. Extra pass and is in by Tino. Tino on the run, here comes Tino. Tino drive, too strong. And this is Tino on the back. And Tino to hit. Foul is in the 13, pushing foul. Galaway out, C coming in. Here goes out. Galaway out, check you. First personal foul in the Aloy. This is the first. Here comes Carnate. Loreno rather. And there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 33 hit the head. Second personal foul, Tino. And 2 shots will be given to Loreno. Basket at the first. And last shot from Loreno. And second one is good. Rebounded by Abrano, pass to Tino. Tino pass to Picurama. Back to Tino again. Here comes Sakino. Extra pass outside. Picurama, wide open three. And shots up. Heads of rebound. Here comes Abrano and shots blocked. Play Carnate. And we also get into possession. 10 seconds to the shot clock. Rebounded by Aquino, looking for the receiver. Here comes Suringan, corner 2, in out. And that's Steve Munoz, Lupao, basketball. Vanessa Lazaro, they go in. Now, pass to Sigam. Sigam set the screen by Nihula. Sigam takes a pass inside. Loreno, here comes the hot Carnate. And using the board, finish is good. Play Carnate. Aquino pass to Picurama. Back to Aquino again, to the teammates. Here comes Tino. Tino fade, comes pass to Torino. Torino, here comes Zaprano. And Janso, Padagrino, Digula, grab to Sigam. Sigam on the run, takes a pass at the break. And that pass turnover. And final goal, Team Munoz. And back to the ball team. And ball by Aquino to Tino. Tino pass to Baran, back to Tino. Tino setting the play. Here goes Baran again. Baran goes away. Baran trapping. Here goes Suringan. Behind the back. And basket is good by Suringan. And wow, let's go at it. 34-28. Beat by Kim Lupao. Here goes Carnate, pass in the middle. Digula, double defender to Sigam. Take a shot. And basket for 2. Sigam. Here comes Tino, pass to Aquino. Degamo, corner 2. Clean it up. And rebound by Loreno. And rebound by Carnate. Here comes Carnate. Carnate. On body shot, the good. Rebound by Baran, here comes Aquino, pass to Suringan. Suringan, drop, shot. Rebound by Digula. Digula, double defender, pass to Sigam. Sigam, extra pass inside. Short. Sayang ang pasa. Tino pass to Aquino. Aquino, number 3. Bring it out. Digula, grabs the miss. Here comes Sabor. Nabor, pass to Hernandez. Here comes Sigam. Sigam, no teammates. Fouls pass to Digula. Digula is strong move. And there's a whistle. Defensive foul ball, jersey number 21, Digula. First personal foul, Digula. 36-28, beat by Team Munoz. Here goes Baran, pass to Tino again. Next to pass, Digalo at the corner. Digalo 3. Sigam. Alley-oop, short. Aquino, extra pass, here goes Maraman. Obaja, Kudakupa, Legrano. And final call, team blue foul. And back to the ball game. Number pass to Sikam. Sikam, here comes De La Cruz. Extra pass to the middle. They go up eight. They go up on shot. They're good. And Durian Brandelis. Durian pass to Tino. Here comes Tino. King on the right. He will play. And he gets hit. Here's the foul call, jersey number 2, holding foul. First personal foul, Sika. Pointing for penalty, team the foul. And 2 free throws will be given to Tino. We have the first. And last free throw. Go to the second. 2-point lead, 36-34. Lead by Team Bilbao. Sikam, extra pass to the corner. And Tyson 3, too strong. Dekano, rebound. He got a pass to Tino. Tino, break. Here comes Figueres. This is him by Lorena, Tyson Steve, Brad. Here comes over and break. And there's one up.
Dak na yun.
Foul receive number 11, pushing foul. First personal foul, Demos Kennedy. Number out, Fernandez, 46. Crossing the first. And 49, perfect, 49, all 36. Here comes Sikam. Sikam trying, but there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 33, pushing foul. Third personal foul, Tino. And Tino out, Parinas going in. Here fouled by Lorena, looking for the receiver. Here comes inside, and still, Parinas has not played. And Ribusi, totally. Young boy on the line, Team Munoz, 38-36. Sikam, looking for teammates. Pass to Loreno. Here comes De La Cruz. De La Cruz break. De La Cruz driving things up. Too strong. Defensive rebound by Digura for the putback. Shot is up. Digura again. Digura runs through. And there's a foul call. Foul jersey number 13, pushing foul. Second personal foul, Dekano. 13 foul, Team Munoz. Facing the first. And a shot from Digura. And basket. Ferrandao, De La Cruz, check in. Here comes Rian pass to Parinas. Parinas pass to Baran. Here comes Dekano. Dekano, and on his side, over to Rian. 3-point lead, 40-37. Here comes Carnate. Carnate pull up and there's a whistle. Foundation number 31, pushing foul. First personal foul, Parinas. Warning for penalty, Team Munoz. This is the first. Second one is good. Here comes Parinas. Parinas goes the passing side. And symbol. Parinas, the receiver. Here comes De La Cruz. Shines out. Rebound by De La Cruz. Here comes De La Cruz. And De La Cruz. Get it out! De La Cruz again. On para shot, no good. And that's Team Lupao. Time City Munoz basketball. Parinas. Pass to De La Cruz. Here goes Torigan fake. Torigan speed. Big shot, short. And the release. Here comes Doreno. And that's green shirt. Lupao basketball. Sigal looking for the receiver. Here comes Carnate, Libre. And for the tie on 40. As Lucas for the second quarter. Here comes the guy from the beginning, pass outside, they grab on the three, and too strong. Turnover. That's 1 minute 45 seconds remaining to the second quarter. And all 14. Napakagandang laban po ito ng bawat puhunan. Ayaw maglayo ang kanilang mga score. Here comes Carnate, a dropping. Carnate pinili pa no good. And too strong. Here comes Steve Licano. At the break, Parinas. And he's a basket. Timeout call, Team Lupao. At muli po ang and back to the ball game. Once again, the score 42-40, 2.3. San City Munoz. And 1 minute 28 seconds remaining for the second quarter. And here we go. Here comes Carnate. Here comes Sikam, lays up. And too strong. Medyo rebound, Nikula. No good. And steal. Baran, drive. And shot. Here comes Baran. Number 3, Parinas. Baran, Baran, pass it on. And shot block. That's right. Here comes Laureno. Laureno, easy layup. Basket is good. On 42 again. Parinas setting the lead. Pass to the Cruz. Here comes Fairmont and put it cover. Too strong. And Carnate from the loose. Here comes Sika. 30 seconds on the game clock.
Basket time out.
Carnate. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. And wow. Basket is good. Carnate. And timeout call. Team San City Munoz. Dalawang nagpuli ang dalawang Team Lupao. And back to the ball game. Last 17 seconds. 17 seconds left for the second quarter. And it's score 44-42 in favor of Team Lupao. Aquino. Here comes Peralta. Pass to Aquino again. 10 seconds to the game clock. Set the screen, 5 seconds. There's the pass, Peralta. Sticker po yung mga motor nyo. Meron pa rin tamakala ng motor. Pakicheck nyo po. And we're back, third quarter. All 44. Local basketball. They pull inside. Pull out now. And the look looks good. From the next side. Rebound, Leonel. Dino to Aquino. Aquino to Turia. Barangan. Challenging to the better. Kicks outside Dino. 5 to shoot. Way downtown shot. No good. Hernandez comes to board. Team Laval. Sigara. Pass to De La Cruz. Shot is up. And whistle blow. There's a attack. Inside number 30. Third personal foul, Delgado. Lisa first. Good in the second. Regula. Munoz, Dino Tuturingan, from the strike, no good, Fernanda again, Sky for the rebound, at the break, De La Cruz, Lauren for Green, no good, rebound Turingan, Turingan still by Loreno, puts it up, puts it in. Turingan for the cut. Turingan side step. Yes, sir. 3-point advantage to Wow. Sigam. Center screen Bigula. Sigam. Bigula. Bigula inside. Short. Here's Munoz. Parangan. Parangan running. Sky for the layup. That one goes. For Parangan. And he throw a foul for jersey number 5, Loreno. Second personal foul. And a bonus shot for Parangan. No good. Singa, grab the miss. Singa, soccer, Singa, Turingan for the answer, short. Lupaw again. 7.5, third quarter. 51-48. Loreno, parang natin wide open, too strong. And Aquino, Tortino. Tino Madrid. No good. Turingan recovered. He gives it alive. Turingan. A nice spin. And he scored. The lead is down to 1. 51-50. Singa. Bigula inside to Hernandez. There's the pass. De La Cruz. And De La Cruz short. Dito Turingan. Turingan versus Loreno. And Turingan easy basket for the lead. Singa. Singa drive. Lisa too strong. And we were having a coach challenge for the last call. And there's a decision from the...
Sir, wala tayong review, ano? Wala po, wala po. Wala po nangyaring review. Wala, correct call lang, correct call. Okay lang po, correct call.
And ayan po, tinurayin po naman yung mga official. And Muñoz basketball. Turingan, pass to Digano, inside, no good. Rebound Carnate. Carnate, binipan niya ng bola, Carnate. And there's an injury right now. Ready? Napakagandang depensa ng galing kay Mr. Ion Turingan. Here's a lead. Muñoz basketball. And defense. Ang ipinakita ni Mr. Tapal King. Dino to Barangan. Barangan ang diyata. Pass to Turingan. Turingan! Wow! What a pick. And again, he scored. No more looking for Stevie. To Laureno. Baby. Laureno inside. And there's a foul. Number 33. Dino. Warning for 5 pounds. Dino. Substitution. Dino out. And Aldain. And Laureno again. Two shot. First one good. And second go. And perfect from the line. Laureno. 54-53. Muñoz. Aquino. Setting the play. Barangan to Turingan. Turingan pass outside. Barangan 8 to shoot. Barangan. And there's a foul. Number 28. Ballesteros. First personal foul. Muñoz inbounding. Turingan with 2. Good. The ball. Number 18. Hit the head. Santos, first personal foul. 30 foul. Home team.
Ball ka bright.
And again, first foul is good.
Lapit ka doon.
Yung second round. And basket, Barangan out. Victoria, check in. And scored 56-55. Turingan na ipit. And stolen by Laureno. Number 1, Ballesteros. And there's a 3 seconds violation. Turnover. Peralta. Santos. Still by Bernate. To Ballesteros. Ballesteros, blocker. Pinina. And Santos. Against Ever. Peralta of the window. No good. And next touch. Richard. Carnate. Carnate on the ball. And the big roll is good. By Martin Carnate. Balik sa naman, wala naman. 57, 56. And again, Toringan for the answer.
Lapit ka doon.
Talaga naman, parang Martin Matsa. Ng NBA, ayaw magaling ang asun. Loreno, miss na siya. Peralta to Aquino. Aquino. And there's covering foul. Loreno out. Santos out. Abrahano and De La Cruz in. Gabor, Tomarnate, looks the three. No good. Then at the break, nice pass, Victorama, and extra step. Sayang. Napasobra ang kanyang step. And Gabor, Gabor, Gabor crossover, Gabor, Torilla, and Aquino on the low. Easy basket. Timeout goal, Gages, no foul, Ricos. And again, we're back. 60-57. Home team. Here comes Steve Foul. Gabor to Ballesteros. Carnate. Crossover. Carnate. Travis Wright. Shoot. And there's a pushing foul. Number 28. Second personal foul, Ballesteros. 13 foul, no foul. Peralta looks too strong.
Ano po kami timeout?
And Munoz, one more timeout. And again, we're back. 2 minutes and a half. Third quarter. 3-point advantage, Munoz. Inside pass. Tegula. Rebound. Gabor. Break the defense. Extra pass. Carnate. De La Cruz will come back. No good. Para for the rebound. And there's a foul. Roll. Number 7. First personal foul. Korea. Ibang klase rin ang bata ko. Third quarter. Ngayon ko na lang yung first foul na. Pangilis na ko. Carnate is the first shot.
Tandaan sa pag-upo. Oh, doon kayo!
Second Victorama in. Peralta out. Bigula also. And again, Munoz, take possession. 2-point ball game. 60-58. And there's a whistle. Number 28. 28. Ballesteros, third personal foul. Aquino. Aquino to Toringan. Back to Aquino. Marinas goes over, lays up, two-stroke, battle for the rebound. And there's a whistle again. Number 6. Second personal foul. Carnate. And Toringan. From the line. First shot, basket. Aaron Toringan. Perfect. Toringan out. Aquino out. Ipapahinga mo na sila sa uling 2 minuto. Dito sa third quarter. Labor. Belarus, step back, launch, no good.
Bad, Joshua!
Sigan going in. And there's a warning for technical, jersey number 5. Laronero. The receptors of all. And Parinas outside. Pass to the middle. Abrahano to Limenso. Parinas cross the lane. Nice pass. Abrahano spin. Shot is blocked. And Limenso.
Clock violation tayo po, ano po lang lupaw. Kasi wala naman po possession ng lupaw mo. Ito mama ka.
There's a nauna po ang buzzer, so we have a shot clock violation for Munoz. Lupaw basketball.
Shot clock violation tayo po.
And again, the foul. 14 on the shot clock. Sigan, take the shoot. Sigan, jumper, short, rebound Abrahano.
Sige, hindi na galit.
Labor.
Manong hintayin.
Under a minute to go. Barrano balance and he can hit. There's a foul ball for jersey number 55. Hit the head. Second personal foul. Labor. And first shot short. Here comes the second. Miss again. De La Cruz. To Siga. Siga from Vertical Reyes. Set the screen Ballesteros. Now they go. Long two. Now they go in and out. Ballesteros will over. And again, there's Lisa, number 22. Inenso, first person around. Go team, penalty. And we'll do the first shot. Second throw, miss again. Muñoz, Fariñas, looks like, oh yes sir! 14 seconds. No foul. No ball. 6 seconds. And it goes for 3. No good. And that's the end of our third quarter. 64-58. Lead by the home team, Muñoz. At dito na mga pagkakalaman, final quarter, last 10 minutes of action. Ang ilako, ang inahabol ng Lupao Rivers against Muñoz Water Buffaloes. Fariñas. Fariñas pass to Turingan. Turingan drop pass. And a turnover. Abraham will lose the ball. Beijing Aquamens, Aqua Brothers.
Ano ba nagkalat dyan?
Dito sa ating committee. We're back. Lupao Basketball. Siga. Siga Patigula. Got it. Marnate. A big three. Para sa kanya. Fariñas for the answer. No good. Wow. Marnate na naman for the rebound. Siga, nice pass. And back it goes. Got it for the Agula. And foul for jersey number 77. Hit the head. First personal foul, Abraham. And the Agula tie the game, 64-all. 8-0 run. Next shot is blocked. Laureno. Siga. Laureno, jumper. No good. Barangan running. Barangan. Turingan. And Turingan. Good hit. Number 21. And second personal foul, Digula. 60 run ang nangyari. 6-0 run. 64-58 kung kanina ang score. And Korea. Singham. There goes for three. Bang! Three. And a foul. Lead by two. Torian, take. Torian spin. Barangan lays up. Yes, sir. Tie game, 6-7. Singham, Tulimula. Diviscane, Pedro leading. Pedro working. Pass to De La Cruz. Yes, again, another comment for Team Cubao. Barangan, take. Barangan cross the lane. And there's a whistle. Number 11, blocking foul. De La Cruz, second personal foul. Under 8 minutes on the game clock. And Kagula for the steal. Not the break. And last touch. Munoz. Parinas will go to the bench. Tino, check in. And the foul, take possession. Singham to Tegula. Tegula guarding by Torian. Again, Tegula goes to work. Shots up. Torian. Torian, skying. No work. Abrahano. Picks it up. Abrahano. Miss again. And loses footing. Nice pass. Abrahano. For the fourth opportunity, Munoz scored 69 all. Wow, what a game! Singham goes over, Pablo goes, and Khaled, contest number 24, Victoria, and first for Miguel, and para Mr. Tigaro, okay na kanyang mga paa. Tingnan sa ating players. Singham, bonus shot. Miss, and recover Singham. Good. 71-69. Aquino rather. Aquino. And bad pass. And turnover. Barangan out. The run late. Under 7 minutes sa ating last quarter. 71-69 to foul. Singham and Ray. No good. Tegula keeps it alive. Burgers, no good. Dino, Torian. Yes. The foul is good. On 71. Singham. And Tegula leading, working, no good. Torian, rebound, to Aquino. To Torian. And Tino drive, extra pass, wide open green, too strong. At the break, Tegula, yes sir. 73-71. Tino. Peralta. Back to Tino. 8 to shoot. Tino drive. Ballesteros in. Third personal foul De La Cruz. 13 foul Lupao.
Napakawalang si Randy, no?
Aquino outside. Decaro launch, no good. Easy basket para sa Team Lupao. Nagalinis ang by 4. Peralta, Tupinyo. Tino. 8 to shoot, Turingan. There's a high check, number 28. Warning for 5 fouls, De La Ballesteros. Under 5 minutes on the game clock. Apat po ang alaman ng Lupao. 6 on the shot clock. Tino to the arrow. And there's a turnover. Sayang ang pagkakataon para sa Muñoz.
Hindi maka-recover.
Siga. Siga crossover. Siga. Nice pass. Ballesteros miss. At the break, Turingan. Turingan for the side step. Use that. Yes. He got it. He lays it in. Kaya kaya yung kalaman. And 2-point ball. Hernandez. In and out of the break. De La Cruz gives it to line. De La Cruz outside, 8 on the shot clock. De La Cruz drive, lays up, good. Seven, 73. Then round number 3, no good. Ballesteros. To Singam. Singam attack. And Singam draw foul for number 23. First personal foul. Figure it out. Figure it out. Ballesteros out. And foul basketball. Singam and Bali. Bigula. Running with Bigula. Hernandez. 8 to shoot. Hernandez for 3. No good. Tino to Aquino. Back to Tino.
Kain!
Tino to Barangan. Barangan lays up and hit. You got it to go. 77-75. 3 minutes remaining. Siga to Hernandez. Hernandez to Hernandez. Jenny. No good. Rebound Hernandez. And the next is good. And Harvey. Again, too slow on the pass.
Easy lang!
A terrible turnover para sa Muñoz. Siga. Hernandez Barangan. Siga crossover. Siga Poladeno. Now Raymond Stigma
Ngayon, ang gagawin lang natin, iikot lang si Bobby, pero pagka hindi nag-approach sa'yo ang depensa, pwede mong tira. Pero pagka umapproach sa'yo ang depensa, ibagsak mo yung tuwi ng go hard to the basket tayo. Go hard to the basket tayo. Pagkatapat kayong dalawa, ibig sabihin, gusto mo yung pwesto ninyo. Huwag ka nang papapat, dahil iikot lang mo. Sa maganda tapos, one stop.
And 14 with the shot clock. 81-77. Apat lang mga kaibigan. Isang minuto. Magpalapot siya ng segundo. Apat na po siya, brother. Dino. Learning by Carnade. 8 to shoot. Barangan. 5 to shoot. Turingan pay. Turingan attack. And there's a blocking foul. Number 21. Penalty. Sigam out. The ball. Check in. Third personal foul, Digula. And this is the first. Napakalagang free throw para sa Team Muñoz. And for the second. Ang kinuaw, Victor Amain. Carnate Bundy, man-to-man defense. De La Cruz. And keep the ball, Turingan. De La Cruz out. Sigamin. Here goes the guard, Sino. Sino with a shot. Digula, gives it down. Number 2. The ball out. De La Cruz going in. And Sinam picking up his second.
Take time.
And first shot. He missed.
Take time.
And second throw. No way. Rebound Tegula. Tegula to Carnate. Carnate to Tegula. Wow. Pino running. Floater. In now. Pino recovered. Pino miss. And again, foul call. Number 7, Turingan. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty, the home team. And Abrano going in. 83-78. Lucao. Sigam. Sigam the momentum. Next team. Muñoz. Again, mga action. Ito sila ang number 1 at number 2 sa kanilang division. But we have still a tie, 39 seconds. 83-82. And we're back. Waiting for shot clock. Ang gagamitin ng lupaw. And the crowd is shouting for their teams. Sigan. And there's a foul ball, number 11, Marangan. And both team penalty. And Marangan taking the second. And we were having a coach challenge for Science City of Muñoz.
Nagtalo na yung tao dyan eh.
And the challenge successful. Last match, Bermuda. Muñoz take possession. 32 seconds, 1 point lead. Lubao, 83-82. Ibang klase game.
Hoy, di daw kayo mag-time out. Nakahadil na po.
Muñoz take possession. Pino for the lead. Barangan block. Korean. Barangan, nice pass. Big Barangan. Wala defense. Ibang klaseng depensa para sa Lubao. 8. And a timeout call for the home team. Wow. Ayaw nilang kumayang.
Sayang yun.
Mamaya score ang Muñoz. Seconds, naging block. Aquino inbounding. Aquino to Abrahano. Aquino, free to shoot. Pino. And shot clock violation. 10 seconds. And time control. Yes. Lubao Rivers.
And once again, this game is brought to you by Congressman Mario Hoy Santator. Telegram Basketball League, Irving District 2 Beverly City, in cooperation with the Governor of Jessamani, House Governor Dr. Akron Rani, District 2 Board Member Victor Garcia, para magkawat ng Bicol, Juan Joseph, Halloween of all this, and the Acting Surgery Sarah Bukid Pyro, and Victor Nick Godalat Studio.
Last Perantay. Aguero. And that's the end of our regulation. 85-82, winner by the guests, Lupao Rivers. At sila ito nanatili sa unang pwesto sa kanilang division. And we have the best player of the game. And what a dominant performance. He contributed 31 points, 5 rebounds, Chris L. and Bree blocks. Wala pang iba ang Kevin Durant ng Lupao, Raymond Laureno. The best player of the game, Mr. Laureno. Kaya sabihin mo yung mga fans na katotong live from Lupao.
Tapos po sa bago na lang sa gagawin ko.
And once again, the player of the game, Mr. Raymond Laureno. Magpainit na po ang ating main event. Napakagandang laban din po nito. Sila naman po ay number 2 at number 3 sa kanilang division.